In the vast landscape of chemical substances, Tetramethyldivinyldisiloxane vinyl doubleheads IOTA 1002 stands out with its unique attributes, appearing as a clear, colorless liquid. It has a boiling point range of 133 to 139 degrees centigrade, a density of 0.818 grams per centimeter cubed, and a refractive index from 1.4118 to 1.4123. With a high purity of 99.5% and a vinyl content of 29.0%, it remains insoluble in water. This compound plays a pivotal role in various chemical production processes. It serves as an essential additive intermediate in manufacturing addition type silicone rubber, silicone gel, liquid silicone rubber, vinyl silicone resin, vinyl silicone oil, and platinum complexes. By using Tetramethyldivinyldisiloxane's vinyl doubleheads, producers can significantly enhance product quality and performance. Are you still troubled by mediocre production outcomes? For packaging, it comes in 20-kilogram plastic drums and 160-kilogram iron drums. And custom packaging options are also available. It should be stored in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated warehouse and transported as a hazardous material.